Hello friends, welcome to the Techbyeworld. Have you ever pondered the true mysteries of the Apollo 11 moon landing? This historical feat, accomplished in the summer of 1969, left an indelible mark on human history. Yet, it's shrouded in enigmatic elements. Lost tapes that seemingly disappeared without a trace. The peculiar second delay in transmissions that sparked countless debates. These intricate puzzles make the Apollo 11 mission not just a tale of human achievement, but also a captivating mystery. So let's delve deeper into the enigma that surrounds this monumental event. The Apollo 11 mission, a journey etched in the annals of human history, begins on July 16, 1969. A feat of human ingenuity, the spacecraft lifts off from Kennedy Space Center carrying with it the dreams and aspirations of an entire planet. The thunderous roar of the Saturn V rocket, a marvel of technology, pierces the tranquility of the Floridian morning, its fiery trail painting a path across the azure canvas of the sky. As Apollo 11 embarks on its voyage, it travels nearly 240,000 miles to the moon, a journey that would take a little over 3 days. The astronauts on board, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, are not just passengers, but the very embodiment of human courage and curiosity. The first sight of the moon, up close and personal, is a spectacle to behold. A grayish-white orb, pocked and scarred, yet holding a stark, mesmerizing beauty. Yet this journey is not without its mysteries. The missing telemetry data, the detailed recordings of the spacecraft's journey, are nowhere to be found. An enigma that stirs the pot of intrigue and speculation. Then there's the unidentified object, reported by the astronauts, a sighting that has fueled countless theories and debates. But the intrigue only deepens as the lunar module, Eagle, prepares to descend. July 20th, 1969, the day humanity first set foot on another celestial body. As the lunar module, aptly named Eagle, descended towards the moon's surface, the world held its breath. The suspense was palpable. The descent had its share of drama, with alarms sounding in the module and fuel running dangerously low. But against all odds, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin deftly guided their craft to a smooth landing in the Sea of Tranquility. And then the moment that would be etched in history arrived. Neil Armstrong, clad in his white spacesuit, descended the ladder of the lunar module. With millions watching back home, he set his foot on the lunar soil, forever imprinting mankind's presence on the moon. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe, symbolizing not just a triumph for the United States, but a victory for all of humanity. As Armstrong and Aldrin set about their tasks on the moon, they collected samples of lunar soil and rocks, a tangible piece of this alien world to bring back home. Yet some of these moon rocks were later noted to be missing, stirring up a mystery that continues to baffle us today. Where did they go? Who took them? And why? Adding to the enigma were the strange lights reported by the astronauts. Unexplainable flashes of light, inconsistent with any known phenomena, were witnessed. These lights, seen on the lunar horizon, sparked a flurry of questions. Were they reflections off the lunar surface, or something more unexplainable? Armstrong and Aldrin spent a total of 21.5 hours on the moon, with 2.5 hours outside the Eagle, walking, jumping, and even playing a bit of golf on the moon's surface. Their actions, their words, and their experiences continued to inspire, intrigue, and puzzle us. As the astronauts explore the moon back on Earth, the mystery continues to grow. After a total of 21.5 hours on the lunar surface, it was time to return home. Apollo 11's journey back to Earth was just as awe-inspiring. The lunar module docked with the command module in lunar orbit, and from there the astronauts commenced their 3-day trek home. Upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, the command module splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. The world watched with bated breath as the astronauts emerged, having survived a journey that had once seemed impossible. Now, let's revisit the mysteries we've touched on, the unexplained radio transmissions, the strange objects spotted on the lunar surface, the peculiarities in the photographs. And let's not forget the questions that remain unanswered. Could there have been unknown forces at play? Or are these simply the products of space travel's inherent unpredictability? Even after more than 5 decades, the Apollo 11 mission continues to intrigue and mystify. What do you think about these mysteries? Could there be more to the story than what we know?